Oh, eh.
Kasi Joji Vlogs pa yan.
Joji Vlogs. Hello guys.
Nagayaya na ng ice cream. Kumalma ka. Kumalma ka.
Ha?
Ready ka na?
Oo naman. Ready na ako mapahiya.
Ako rin eh. Hindi mag-order na tayo kasi tapos na sila. Pwede ba magpa-shoutout?
Sige, oh, sino sa shoutout mo? Shoutout mo na.
Uy, naka-video ka na. Shoutout ko po yung pamilya ko sa Davao del Sur.
Kung naalala niyo ako, please balikan niyo naman ako.
Tay, asan ka na?
Twilight, mag-ice cream nga kayo ni Tania. Parang kasama mo na.
Uy, nag-record.
Wala po mo? Oo, yung nawala. Ninakaw. Nadukot sa MRT.
naman pala.
Oo nga eh. Type shit. Ayun na, parang lagi kaming wala. Pag magkasama kami.
Tayo na kayo ng mga nagwawala.
Ang alam kong Carmen's Best kay Araneta.
Ah, talaga?
Ano? Pang 280 ba?
Ang harap.
Sa mahal talaga siya.
280.
Harap.
Bumili ka rin? Ang dami na po din ni
Kaya nga eh. Buti na lang hindi ko babayaran.
Uy!
Sino ba nagbayad ikaw? Ay, ikaw ba? Ba't binayaran mo kasi?
Oo. Talaga? Puro yan.
Parang sambales yun ah. Mangga na sambales.
Ay, ano ba yun? Paano ko ang shoes ko?
Nasa sa Rose. Ano sasakyan mo, Jace? Tingnan nga natin.
Pick up? Yung pick up ah.
Uy, samahan mo, Twilight!
Lo, paano?
Ay, hindi pala.
Kaya si Lupa gusto mo ganyan, no? Hindi ka pinapayagan. Pero what?
Video agad tayo nung ano.
Pero,
Medyo. Ewan ka lang yung second oras, gising ka ba? Ganyan.
Oo.
Kahit gabi.
Tawagan ng anak mo.
Anong anak ko?
Hi guys, kawin naman kayo dyan.
Uy, ito. Kasama natin yung program ngayon.
Hindi ka nadalang pan swimming?
Nagdala ako. Ay, hindi pala.
Hi guys, we're touching. We're touching.
Get ready with us. Get ready with us. Yeah.
Get ready, get set, go with me.
1, 2, 3, go.
May ano, may karera.
The first one is care. So elevating how we serve, strengthening holistic.
Yes, and the second one is reach, no? Expanding our footprint, breaking down volume, and
Impact. So impact builds a legacy beyond the numbers through sustainability, excellence, and purpose. So to formally open our sales summit.
yes, may we call on Miss Maida Salugsugan.
It's nice to see you all today, and of course, this afternoon, as they have said, is
We are anchored with the three
you may choose the next one who can get their fortune.
Rich.
Okay, Sir Rich, get your fortune cookie.
Libre.
Bilisan nyo. Sama tayo eh.
Hi kay Sir Phil sa vlog. Hi, Sir Phil. Vlog to, sir. Ito niya, ikaw din.
Pag ikaw tinawag.
Shout out.
Jeff Raven.
Ania Oya. Tandaan niyo yung mga pangalan nila, ha? May next tayong game dyan.
Ayun na si Sir Dex.
Buksan mo yan. Sir Macario. You
Kaya pala,
are
kala ko makdo.
Aris.
Sir Ian.
Sir Ian.
Siya pala. Iyan din.
Si Adrian.
Valls.
Yung?
Fortune cookies. Live. And the rest of the team, sina Alfred, sina Wellard, the CS is si Valls. Thank you for always doing this. Sir Philip here for always being a supportive boss.
Need to break down. So the team was tasked last 2025 to sell Sir Deck, almost 300 million. And Sir Mark, iba ka talaga, tahimik lang. And Jeff, was Jeff? For the top videos that delivers number of accounts for 2025, the top is Sir Joji. So Sir Joji, bago lang sa team, the top video 16 accounts for the whole 2025. Congrats. Following Joji is Jeff Bibar. So Jeff, 15 accounts. And one of our success stories, Sir Kiko. Sir Kiko delivered 15 accounts also. Yours truly delivered 13 accounts. Thank you. Sir Mark with 13 accounts.
Yes,
correct.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Alright, so anyway, to go back doon sa ating program, no, so
To go back sa ating program, ang next session natin.
yes, for our
Okay, sorry guys. So, for the sales updates, may we call on Miss Anne Crispere and Sir Rich De La Rama.
So, good afternoon, everyone. We know that 2026 is not about maintaining momentum. It is about multiplying it. This year,
It's an update. What are we doing right now in updates for the regional team? So, again, effective January 1, we have a new regional sales organizational structure that last year...
Well, mayong hapon sa tanan. HR, or if you know your clients, you know naman na HR, ang dami nilang kailangan pabaguhin, no? They have been.
We have 2 redundant sites, so we have to make sure that any eventualities, we are still accessible. So, ang team ito, we have for select accounts, and we have also in the hubs. So,
about 10 years back, yung wife niya na-diagnose breast cancer. In between those period, yung isang...
Ano kayo? 3... Anong room number niyo, sir? Basta yung 3222. Dito rin ba?
Sa taas po, sir.
Pero dito rin yung
Yes,
entrance.
po.
Okay.
Sa left po yung stairs.
Okay. Thank you.
Floor tayo. Second floor tayo. We're amazing natin.
3224. Yes.
Dito yung BFAS natin at ang Miracle Stay.
Okay.
Meron tayong breakfast coupon.
Here's our room.
Yung nakita natin sa...
Ay. Cool. Oh, wow. Ang kaguluhan yan. Kunwari nag-uusap kayo. Mag-usap kayo tungkol sa account.
Nakapunta ka na dito, di ba? Nung bata ka, sabi na pwede maalala. Hello, ma'am? Hello.
Ganda ng dagat to. Guys, so we're here at Kamaya Beach Resort. Kamaya ba? Kamayan. Kamayan Beach Resort.
Pero naalala ko dito sa Subic dati. Nanguhuli ng mga jellyfish, tapos nasa ano. Hindi, jellyfish.
Starfish na alala ko
Sa-
dito, maraming starfish.
Plastic.
Ayaw yung cup.
Hinahawakan namin sa taas.
Wala stickers.
Pero hindi ganito yung itsura doon, parang kubo-kubo.
Saan ba kayo nun?
Sabi naman, pag Kamayan.
Kamayan.
Marami naman na kami napunta.
So what is success for you guys? Sa akin kasi, success is not logical, no? It's not about perfect timing or perfect, it's not about luck, eh. It was about relentless speed and of course,
Kasing galing ni Francis, kasing pogi ni Francis. Kaya nag-ready lang ako ng mga picture. So it's a very quick.
I don't know why. Anong ginagawa ba niya? He couldn't make it, no? Somebody from the back to go. No? Sabi dyan na gusto.
Call on for Outstanding Sales Achievement Award in terms of total premium amounting goes to Gerard Martinez.
Hindi ako na.
Or in terms of total number of accounts. Number 260 account goes to Georgie Espinan.
Paano ba i-zoom to? Uy, paano i-zoom?
Team Brilliance. The team
Ah. Thank you.
or Brilliance.
Ayun.
Thank you, Team Brilliance.
Pagod pala mag-host.
Dami mo sinabi. Grabe yung ad-lib niyo. Pero maganda.
Hindi namin sinunod yung spill dun sa ano kasi yung spill naka-chat GPT. Masyadong malalim. Sabi ko, hindi tayo to.
Hindi totoo.